Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block we're going to be making you guys one of the best Italian subs there is. Okay, and guess what it's going to be called? It's an Italian Jersey Mike Submarine sandwich, that is. And what you're going to need is some salt right here. You're going to need some olive oil. You're going to need some oregano. You're going to need some red wine vinegar. And that's that. Put that to the side. You're going to need the bread, of course, right here. Alright? You're going to need that. I'm making 4 sandwiches. You're going to need some turkey, deli meat right here. You're going to need some Genoa salami. You're going to need some pepperoni. You're going to need some forced ham. And you're going to need some regular hickory ham. You're going to need also some provolone cheese. You're going to need some mayo. This right here, particular one, is Hellmann's. You can use any type of mayo that you want for yours. You're going to need some onion, sliced up thin. Some tomatoes, okay? And also, you're going to need some lettuce. Alright? So we're going to start building on these sandwiches like so. Just like this. Well, let me go ahead and do 2 of them at a time. How about that? We start with these 2. So, first thing first, this is what you're going to have to do. I'll put this over here on this side. We're going to start with our provolone. Alright? These might be too big, so normally they get 3, which we're going to end up doing anyway because it's got to be right? You get 3 of these. And these go at the bottom. Just like so. You take your mayo. Let me see if I can move this around here. I'm trying to make sure I have the right bread for each other. Alright. Just like this. Get some mayo. We're going to put that on the top. Just like so. Much as you want for yours. Just like that, guys. Alright. And then we're just going to start building on these. So, now for what I seen, they had turkey. They put their turkey on there, like that. You get 3 of those. Just like that. They have them balled up, I don't know why, but that's how they do it. But they have longer pieces, so that's what they do. Just like that. Then you come with the ham. Forced ham. You get 3 of those. On there. I'm making it just like they made theirs. So don't come at me. Alright. Now we get some hard salami. Put the hard salami on there. You can do it like this, however you want to do it, you know, and just put it on there. So it's not just laying on there flat, it's like that or something. I don't know the logistic of it. Okay. Then we come with our ham, a regular ham. Just like that. Then we come with our pepperoni. We put 4 of those on there. Just like that. Okay? Now, this is a trick. They come with the onions on the meat. Why? I don't know, but this is what they do. I guess that's why it's Jersey Mike's recipe. Anybody can build a submarine sandwich, but it ain't gonna be Jersey Mike if he don't build it the way he built it, right? Okay, I think that's enough onions on that. Alright, then they come with the lettuce. Put the lettuce on there. Like that. Now we're going with the tomatoes. They normally put 3 on theirs. Alright, this is how they do theirs. So I'm going to scoop this up and zoom in so you guys can see what I'm about to do next. Okay guys, this is what they do. They take some the red wine vinegar. They dust it on there. A lot of it, I don't know why, but they do. It's like 3 shakes of it. Then they come with the olive oil. Just like that. Then they come with the oregano. Just like that. Then some salt. Not a whole bunch, but just enough. And take the lid, because I'm goofy. put it on there. Just like so. Alright guys. There you have it, right there. This is how you make a Jersey Mike sub sandwich. Alright guys. So if you guys like this video, I'm cleaning up as I go. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Like this. Like and subscribe. Tell all your friends and family to tune in to VELDOGG's Kitchen, where we bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods or better. And yes, guys, please, yes, hit that bell so you too can be notified when I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. VELDOGG signing out.